I'm Milani. I hope you watched the videos on how to thaw seafood and how to prepare squid, also called calamari. If not, head over and watch them quickly. Because now we are ready to cook delicious dishes with squid. So get ready to change the way you see seafood. When cooking squid, the rule is always quick and hot, 2 to 3 minutes. Anything else will result in rubbery squid. And to be 100% assured of soft squid, I always recommend using one of the tenderizing tips I shared in the How to Prepare Squid video. As you can see, I have a great variety of squid here. So how do you choose the right cut? Well, that's simple. It depends on the dish you are planning to make. Let's start with squid steaks. Squid steaks are lovely pan-fried with or without crumbs. You can tenderize them with a food hammer or score them like this to break the connective tissue. I like to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper before I put them in the pan. Scoring also helps to keep them flat when you fry them. Otherwise, the sides will curl up. Remember, only 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise the steaks will be tough. I like to add some fresh thyme for extra flavor. Seafood loves lemon. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There, this is ready. Let's move to squid rings. We are all familiar with battered deep-fried squid rings, as it is a popular dish on restaurant menus. But why not try making it at home? You can use these crumb squid rings from Brecco's Seafoods and skip one recipe step. I'm using these uncovered rings which I've lightly dusted with seasoned flour. I'm now dipping them in a beer batter and it's over to fry. The trick is that the oil must be hot enough for the squid to cook quickly, but not burn. A great way to test the oil is to dip your fingers in a bit of the beer batter and let it drop in the oil. And if it bubbles and it comes up, your oil is ready, steady, go! Be careful when placing the squid in the hot oil. Hot oil is not your friend. I'm gonna watch them until they are nice and golden brown. If you have to, just flip them over so they can brown on both sides. Always a great idea to drain your squid rings on paper towel. There you have it. Perfect. Squid strips you can buy crumbed and uncovered. Crumbed is great for deep frying or baking. Uncovered squid strips I love to use in a seafood soup or stew. The slow cooking process will give them time to get deliciously tender. The uncovered strips are also lovely pan-fried in garlic and olive oil. When it comes to squid heads and tentacles, they make a great snack for a rugby or soccer game in front of the TV. Just deep fry or air fry them quickly till crispy and serve with a dipping sauce. These are squid tubes. They are ideal to stuff with your favorite filling. Think ricotta and spinach, olive tapenade or basil pesto. I use a skewer to keep the filling inside. And after stuffing, you then cook them quickly in a flavorful sauce. As easy as ABC, don't you think? So whichever cut of squid you choose, get ready to awaken your inner master chef. For inspiration, head over to our recipe section for more easy squid dishes.